Hey, it's me, Logan Browning. We are headed into 2022, and I am determined to make this the year of my best skin yet. It is your time to get glowy, and the way that we do that is protecting the skin barrier. You've probably heard of the skin barrier, and maybe you don't fully understand it. It's kind of like the cryptocurrency of skincare. Secretly, we're all like, what? Worry no more. I am here to help. And I am here to teach you all about skin barrier and its importance and how it's going to repair, protect, and strengthen the skin. And we're gonna do this via our True Botanicals Skin Barrier Bootcamp. This requires no burpees, no push-ups, but we are going to learn a lot about our skin. Are you ready? You already look great, but we are on the road to fabulous.